YouTube, what it do? Is the channel turning into a G-Body channel? Today is the day the baby go home, but I got a big update for you guys on this car, so stick around, stay tuned. YT, what it do? What it stink? Today is the day my boy Rudy, 1986 Chevy El Camino goes home. He's actually taken it home once before, but it had a 5.3 with a 4L60E transmission in it, and we had to do some upgrades for him because he no likey. He said it wasn't enough power. So we had to make some modifications and upgrades to this thing. So let you guys hear the camera a little bit. It currently has, I might have to get off this. I really came over here just to do my TikTok video. If you guys haven't done so already, please follow me on TikTok at thelsswapguru. I'm gonna make a quick little TikTok video real quick, and then I'll get back to the shop and do a full overview of the car once it's a little bit more quiet. 6.0 stage 2 4L60E billet converter, and it got a Hot Boy slider cam. Motor has engine and trans basically has right around the same 0 miles on it. It was rebuilt to 0 miles right about now, maybe have somewhere around 50 miles on it, but running great, feeling strong. For those of you that don't know, we also did a Dakota dash install, but I'll get to that shortly. So I kind of made this rule that, oh shit, is that the popo? Is that the popo ho? We about to see. I kind of made this rule that I wasn't going to be driving customer cars like that no more, but in this case, I kind of have to, man. I got to show you guys what this thing do. Rudy is actually on his way right now, and he has a long, roadkill. Yeah, this thing is, it's just unfortunate. I can't really hit it the way I want to because, like I said, it's a brand new engine. He has to put, the builder said put 200 miles on it, but you can give it a baby little tap. That was under 3,000 RPMs. As you guys can see, she get her little Scooby-Doo razzle dazzle on. Like I said, you can't do no crazy hard hits in it, but if you want to just pat it a little bit, just want to pat it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You guys ain't seen this beautiful face in a minute. I do believe that Rudy made the right decision by switching over to the you was right, Rudy. He definitely made the right decision by switching over to the 6.0 60. So all right, this is the thing. The last engine that I built with him was a 5.3 heads and cam. Ran great. I felt like personally it was more than enough. He was like, nah, man, I just want more. And hey, I can't, hey, he wanted to pay, so I was just like, shit, all right, cool, let's do it. So I actually ended up getting the old engine that was out of there. Took a little bit of money off the bill. He was happy, I was happy. And Rudy hasn't even drove this car, dude, at all. He's the most, give me 1 second. Y'all hear this thing? I'm gonna go outside and give this thing a rev for you guys real quick. For those of you that's gonna ask, for those of you that's wondering, this feels so weird. I haven't picked up this camera in I don't know how long. A lot has changed, and I'm so excited to update you guys on. And stick to the end of the video. Somewhere in the middle of this video, me and All American partner up, and we about to do a G-body giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, listen to this rev. Okay, so here we are. It's nice, quiet, it's peaceful. It's early in the morning, that's why I couldn't do a crazy rev on this thing. What I can tell you guys, Rudy has been a great customer. He's been extremely patient. He's never one time said, oh, that's too much. Whatever he wanted, he paid the price to get exactly what he wanted. Overall, great customer. These are the kind of customers I love. These are the kind of customers I like. He's previously had plenty of cars built, so he kind of understands the process and know the process. But for sure, this car did overstay its welcome. So with that being said, I'll kind of give you guys a setup on this car to the best of my abilities. It originally came with some 15s. If I can find a video or picture of it, I'll throw that in there. Has some 15s on here. Rudy went ahead and bought me these wheels, which are some 20-inch weld wheels. I cannot tell you guys the part number on them because I don't know. We also did a Blazer setup, a Blazer big brake conversion in the front. The front is a, I believe a 245, is it a 245? It's a 225, 35, 20 for the front. Going over to the back, he actually can put a little bit bigger tire on here. It's a 285, 30, 20. And for those of you that don't know, my boy Ray did an outstanding frame notch on this thing. So there's plenty room. There's plenty more room to get, I believe he wants to actually switch this out and go with a 335 or something like that, he said. For the rear end, it's basically the stock rear end. It's a stock rear end, but we did do posi 373 gears, went with the bigger 28 spline axles. And for the exhaust, I will get dirty for you guys. We have long tubes. Well, we actually have Hedman mid tubes with the V-band right there. We actually have a wide-band hookup on there as well. Goes to an X pipe over the axles, and then it's running a boiler muffler, and come out all the way to the back. The whole exhaust system is 2.5, and they come out to these nice polished tips right behind the tire. This is the setup that he wanted. This is the setup that he got. So for suspension, I'll tell you a little bit about the suspension as well. He has ALDAN American. Ooh, I'm getting dirty. For the suspension, he has, I'm not sure about pronouncing this right, but he has spine, upper and lower A-arms. He has the ALDAN American double adjustable coilovers, top and bottom. He has UMI performance for the front and rear sway bars. Rudy also did what the hell did he do? Oh, for the rear, he did adjustable upper and lower UMI control arms. He also added the rear sway bar, and at the top he added the ALDAN American the tower brace to basically help that rear end out from doing that G-body shuffle. YT, what's happening with you, baby? It's your boy, the LSWapguru. You already know that because you're watching my channel. But I want to say I appreciate you for not skipping through my video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the free sauce, how you can win a free coilover setup from ALDAN American, front and rear for a G-body. So if you got a G-body, listen closely. The channel might be turning into a G-body channel, man. Shout out to ALDAN American for helping me out with this one. We basically partner up. All you have to do is very simple and it's free. Follow ALDAN American on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Comment your Instagram tag below. And now don't be greedy. Don't be stingy. Make sure you pass it along. Tell a couple of your friends. Front and rear coilover setup. Single adjustable. Shipped to your door for free. Very simple rules. I appreciate you guys for following. You guys just got the sauce. I'll repeat the rules one more time. We're going to do a couple more videos, and I will be announcing it. And we already found a way how we gonna select the winners and all that. So here we go. Follow me. Follow ALDAN American. Comment your Instagram on this video here, and let's get back to the video. Rudy, I appreciate you. Hope you're enjoying your G-body. Peace. Oh, I forgot to almost say one more thing. If you guys didn't know, you heard it here first. Guru bought ALDAN American to the hood, you know what I'm saying? And if it ain't in your hood, it's coming to a hood near you soon. The channel's turning back to the G-body channel. Once again, I appreciate you. Everybody over there, ALDAN American, for fucking with your boy Guru. Peace. They just let me be myself and they love it. And under the hood, you guys seen this car plenty of times. Under the hood, it don't look like it changed too much. So under the hood, what we have here is now a 6.0. I'll give you guys all the sauce. It's 6.0, 243 heads, LS6 intake, a custom grind BBC cam, you know what I'm saying? The BBC stick up in there. He's running the Holly, what is this called? I don't even know the damn, what this accessory is called. It's almost like a modern day Camino setup. I do not like alternators on the bottom. I literally have to take the whole bracket off to, you know, swap it out, but it's all to the good. Running LS1 coil packs. He got the dual electric fan set up, and I mean it's pretty much looks identical. Headman headers, and for those of you that wants to know as far as fitment wise goes, Headman headers with dirty dingo mounts, that's the way you get your G-body in. That's the way you get it in with the headers. It is going to be a tight fit. You can also use adapter plates with Headman headers, and that will work as well. Oil catch can have the PCV ran up like factory, so all that's good, functioning and working. Other than that, that's it and that's all. I hope you guys pretty much enjoyed this video. Rudy will be here, like I said, any second now. As soon as he gets here, what I'm going to be doing is, as soon as he get here, I'll give you guys an update. I'll give you guys a shout, and then I'll let you know. Maybe I'll even be able to do a test drive, and I'll let you know how he likes it. I'm holler at you in a minute. Peace.